Studios, back it on me. 2015 BMW 320i. I'm gonna show you how to replace the windshield fluid pump, which is located in the windshield fluid reservoir. Of course, shout out to everybody in the building. From Japan to the Philippines, Turkey, Germany, Spain, Italy, Greenland, Russia, Croatia. You see what I'm doing right there? Not even rapping. Brazil, Argentina, Chile, everybody in the building, right? I'll show you how to replace this. Come on. You want to support the channel? Subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. You want to hate, put in the comment box too. Anything, alright? I have dinosaur skin. You know what I'm saying? This is part number 26495. 26495. Alright guys, let me show you this real quick, alright? We're gonna do something like this over here. This thing, we're gonna have to use a pry bar. Push it out. Wiggle it like that. Yeah, let's look we have the right part. This way. We need a clip topper. Here it is. Alright. Put it on the side, because I'm gonna focus on this. It's connected. It's here. Just like that. Right. This one has a fuel line type. Okay. Just push it back. That's it. This is the original though, BMW. Thumbnail. Look decent, look decent. Sorry. Okay. Same connector, maybe. Here's the difference over here. You see this line? This one doesn't have it. I don't think it's gonna make a. We'll see though. We'll see though, because over here it has a. This one doesn't have it. We'll see if it connects. All right. It does. Okay. Which will be there? Oh, here. Here, looks like we have a filter. I have a new one. part number 61667. No, you know what? It's this one top. 106925. 106925. Okay, or 61667006063. Windshield washer pump filter, made in China by Feby Belstein. Feby Belstein, yeah, pretty much. Windshield washer pump filter. This is it. Just gonna put it in like that. That's it. Now we'll put everything back, of course. Here. That's pretty much it. Something funny here. Like clips. You put the these wires. Pretty much it. Just put it back. This thing's gonna go like this. The reason why it goes like this is because at the bottom it has like a nail. There's a hole. It goes like this. Does it make sense? You know what I'm saying? Let me show you deep in detail. I'm here. There's a 10mm bolt. That's for the fender or mat cover, whatever. That's the nail at the bottom that I was telling you, that it goes like this. That's why I put it the way I put it in. $10mm there. Oh, the hose, you gotta run it through so a hose, right? You gotta run it through the you know, there's a hole over there. The hose has a hole on top. Now up here where everything is beautiful, this is the hose, right? This is the top. That's we're gonna put it in like this. But before that, connect it to the hose, please. Like that. over here has this clip. Put it in, tap it in. Now we're gonna refill it and see if it works. Probably gonna take more than a gallon, maybe. This is a gallon right here. It's a gallon right here. Should be good for now. Yeah, should be good. Let's see if it works now. Better work right there. Yeah, it works. Over here, everything's Gucci. Just gotta pop that in. Yeah, everything's Gucci here. Just gotta put everything over there. Everything back. Okay, this is a 2015 BMW 320i. This is the 6th generation, which from 2012 to 2015 is the 6th generation regular, regular, and from 2016 and 2018 is still the 6th generation but facelift. Okay, so if you have a car, I want to say if you have a car between 2012 and 2018, then this video is for you. All right, but let's keep it 100. It could be only for cars between 2012 2015, okay? Because when the car is facelift, when the generation is facelift, then the model change, you know, things like that change. You know what I'm saying? So I want to keep it a buck with you, okay? And I give you a false hope. All right. But if it works, then good for you, good for me. Now you have a video to watch. You know what I'm saying? I just wanna say thank you for everybody that support the channel. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. And since you down there, smash the subscribe button. So what was I? Yeah. Shout outs to everybody in the building. Shout outs to you know, from Japan to Germany. I'm saying Greenland, Turkey, Croatia, Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Cuba, everybody in the building. Oh, the other way you can support the channel is over here. It says there's an icon. It says super thanks. Click on that, go through it, show your love. You know what time it is. Alright, more or less. I'm not gonna hold you up. Hope you like this video and catch me in the next one. Welcome. Let's do it. Stop. Catch me in this one. Let's do it. Boom. Yeah. Before I forget though, when you subscribe, hit the bell, because every time I upload something new, YouTube is gonna let you know, okay?
My channel is gonna let you know, yo, you know what? I post something new, you know what I'm saying? So come watch it. I'm telling you this because I'm gonna upload the reaction to your comments, you know what I'm saying? To your feedback. Whatever you put in the comment section, I'm gonna react and I'm gonna answer questions. I'm gonna help people, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make a video of that. So look for that. It's coming up soon, okay? Because I have a lot of comments and it's been a hot minute that I don't reply to those comments. So it's time to do that and upload the video, okay? More or less, I'm not gonna hold you up. Holla at your boy. I'm clocking now. Yeah.
Very important.